If you are trying to sell products, services, or course online, you might have heard about ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is one of the most popular platforms for building sales funnels. And now there is ClickFunnels 2.0. But what exactly is ClickFunnels 2.0 and how does it work? In this video, I will explain in a simple way so even beginners can understand how it can help you to grow your online business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share tools that help you to sell online and grow faster. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the links in the description to get special offers or bonuses on the tools we talk about today. By using the description links, any discounts they will be applied automatically so you get the best value without extra effort. So what is ClickFunnels 2.0? Simply, but ClickFunnels 2.0 is an updated version of the original ClickFunnels platform. It is designed to help you to create sales funnels, landing pages, website, and automated marketing sequences all in one place. The main goal is to guide your customers from discovering your product to making a purchase without needing multiple tools or complicated setup. One of the main improvement in ClickFunnels 2.0 is speed and simplicity. The platform is faster, more intuitive, and easier to use compared to the first version. It allows beginners to drag and drop the elements, add images, videos, and text, and customize the pages quickly. You don't need to know about coding or design experience to create the professional looking pages. ClickFunnels 2.0 also introduces a full website builder. This means you can build your entire website, not just individual funnel pages. You can create a homepage, about page, blog, and other sections, making it a complete solution for your online presence. This is especially helpful for businesses that want everything in one place instead of using separate website builders and funnel tools. Another key feature is funnel automation. You can set up automated email sequences, follow-up messages, and notifications to your lead and customers. For example, when someone signs up for your newsletter or buys a product, you can send them a series of emails that guide them to make more purchase or stay engaged with your brand. Automation saves you time and increases your chances of converting visitors into paying customer. ClickFunnels 2.0 also improved the analytics and reporting. You can track how many people visit your pages, click buttons, and complete purchases. This data helps you to understand which funnels are working and where improvement are needed. By making small changes based on this insight, you can increase your conversion rates and grow your revenue over time. Another feature that beginners like is the template library. ClickFunnels 2.0 provides ready-made templates for landing pages, sales pages, checkout pages, and many more. You can customize them to match your brand and save a lot of time. Creating pages from scratch take a lot of time, but these templates are designed to convert well because they follow proven layouts and structures. Finally, ClickFunnels 2.0 allows integration with other tools. You can connect it with email marketing platform, payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal, webinar platforms, and membership sites. This makes your funnels more powerful and lets you run your business efficiently from one dashboard. In short, ClickFunnels 2.0 is an all-in-one platform for building sales funnels, websites, and automated marketing systems. It is faster, it's easier, and offers more features than the original version. Beginners can create professional funnels without coding, use template, set up the automation, track analytics, and integrate with other tools to grow their online business. So that's it basically for today's video about the ClickFunnels 2.0. Thank you so much for watching this video, Easy Access Tech. I hope this explanation helped you to understand what ClickFunnels 2.0 is and how it works. If you found this video useful, give this video a like and make sure to subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more tutorials and tools review like this to grow your online business. And don't forget to use the link from description to get these special offers. Any discounts or bonuses that will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video where we will explore more tools that make online business simple and profitable.